Good morning, students. Today I am again back to show you another practical, that means practical part, the way how we create a program to insert the image. That means I have started the new chapter 6. In the earlier video I think I have shown you how to create the program in Notepad. One of the program I have shown you, I think so, that is that was the topic having ordered list, is not it? So the outdoor game and indoor game I have shown. I hope that all of you have viewed that program. Now I am just starting the topic in page number 60. You just take out your book and see the page number 60, but before going to page number 60, come to the 59 page, and HTML formatting tags, which you have already done in the earlier chapter, all is being discussed here again. So yeah, after finishing the chapter 6, again we will go back to chapter 5. I will show you each and every program by typing and executing the program, don't worry. So let us finish the course first, the chapter 6. So chapter 6, page number 60, you come. First topic is image. That means when you will create a web page and there you need to insert a image. So how to insert the image, that I will show you today in today's video. So to insert the image we have to use the tag img tag, and img tag is the opening tag. So let us start typing without wasting our time. So HTML, as we know, first line is HTML, then it is head, then title. So you can give the title. Today's title is what we are doing related to your image, to insert the image. So inserting image. Head part closed. Let us start the body part. So in the body part, say I want to write one line. In book you can see they have written one line. This is a computer. So I also want to write, and it will be printed in the center. So they have given the code, that means tag, center tag. It will display in center, CENTER. Remember the spelling. In English it is CENTRE, but in the code, that means in the HTML, they used to write as, we have to write as CENTER. Center. Say this is a computer. This is a computer. Center closed. Now I want to start to insert the image. So remember how all the tags are. You can see HTML opened, a head opened, title opened, title closed, head closed. Body will also be closed when we finish our writing. After body, HTML will be closed. So that means many tags in the HTML, they are called container tag, which is having on tag and off tag. And some of the elements, some of the tag, they are not having the closing tag. They are called empty tag. So one of the example of empty tag is img. So img, this tag is used to insert the image, remember. So img, so it is a tag, and to insert the page or file, image file, we need the source. So we have to use the attribute with image. So that attribute is source, src. So you have to write, that means just wait. You have to write img, then you have to give space between source and img, because it is a tag and this is the src is the attribute. Now equal to, you have to give the attribute value, that is file name of your image. Now you have to use the image which is there in your system. Okay, that means which file, which image file is there in your system, you have to find it out, or else you can download the picture and image from the internet to your system. Say I have downloaded just now before writing this text, before starting the video, I have already downloaded one file. I want to show you, just you see once. This is the computer picture I have downloaded. So that one I want to insert in my web page. So what the file name I have given, you see computer. Now I will go there and just right click it. Right click, after right clicking you can see your properties. So you can see the property, that means what type of file it is. Actually there are many type of image file, jpg file, png file, is not it? So any file, which file you want to insert, you have to give the extension. Here you can see type of file is jpg, .jpg. If you are inserting png file, here it will be .png. So you will see by clicking the properties jpg file. So the name is computer, so you have to write as it is here, computer. So better to bring your file, that means where your file which you are creating as a notepad, if you save it on the desktop, then image file should also be inside the desktop only. If you are creating a new, say that day I have shown you to store it in the folder. If you are storing, say just I am going to the folder, see list, that one we have done last day. So here if I save the file, here you have to save the picture file also. Let me show you how to save the picture file. Just you click here, right click, then copy, just go to the folder and again right click, paste. See, computer picture cake. And now I have not finished writing the text file, so let me complete, then I will save it on the folder. So computer, don't give a wrong spelling. If you give wrong spelling, then it will not load the picture on your web page. So remember, you have to be very careful by writing the name. Computer, what type of file you are loading? JPG file. Okay, so this is all about your JPG file. So this is how you will close the tag, then attribute is equal to value, and value will be inside the inverted comma only, remember that, then tag close. Now there is no closing tag, so you will not use the closing tag. So your inserting image is over. Say I want to finish the page, so I have to give body. What happened to my keyboard, I don't know. Yes, then HTML. So this is all about my file. Now I have to save the file. Go to the file, save as. Now where you have to go? You have to go to the class 7. Here it is already there, class 7. Just give the file name. Say image. Since you are creating the image, so you can give the file name like that. Don't give your name kindly. Most of the students like to give their name as a file. Don't give like that. You just give the file name as related to your topic. So file name image dot html. What type of file it is? HTML. So here you will click here and give all files, then see image.html, give save. So when you are giving save, now just you go to your folder and see whether it is saved or not. See image, the icon will be like that, that means any browser's icon it will take. Now how to run? You go to your folder where you have saved just image, you double click it. Here is your, this is a computer, it displayed on the center whatever I have given the text, and this is the picture. Now if you want to bring your image as a center, that also you can do it. So how you will do it? Close this, just go to the source code. Here don't close the center here, better what you do, let's see what will happen if I give you a center. I will close here. So let us see, again you have to save it, file. After saving once you give save, but when you are saving first time, then you give save as and just go to the correct location where you have to save. Now again see image, see now this is a computer, the whole topic it came in center. So this is how you have to insert the image. So this is about your inserting image for today, up to this much. If you are having any doubts regarding that, you can ask me in the group. And your work will be one question, you write it down, you try, you write on your copy the code for that, and when I will ask to submit, you will submit. So write down the question, insert the image of sports and write one line regarding that sports, that means about that sports, which sports you have inserted, about that you have to write one line. For that you have to write the HTML code, and just you have to write on your copy and you have to submit me when I will ask. Okay, so this is your task for today. Till then, goodbye.